Daniel Tam, an engineer at SSC Pacific in San Diego, California, is developing a reconfigurable, multi-function antenna that uses seawater to receive and transmit communication signals. The antenna was originally intended for use in situations where real estate for placement of antennas is limited, especially on seacraft.
U.S. Navy ships has approximately 80 antennas. To perform antenna integration is a major challenge because the antennas easily interfere with each other. There is not enough topside real estate to separate them. The seawater antenna was developed to address this problem.
While this was its original intent, with some modifications, the seawater antenna could potentially be used as an emergency broadcast antenna on both sea and land. It could also be helpful in areas where communications are limited due to geography. Other possible applications exist thanks to the seawater antenna's simple and reconfigurable design.
This is a magnetic core material, and what it does is that if you have an antenna going through the magnetic core, when the current flow, it generates the magnetic field. This current probe was designed from 2 megahertz to 400 megahertz. So it potentially can be used for HF, VHF, and UHF range.
A signal is not received until the seawater antenna pump is turned on. The pump shoots a stream of seawater through the current probe, resulting in clear reception.
The frequency range is based on the height of the seawater stream. So for HF, frequency is typical around, we need to use 70 to 80 feet, and VHF is approximately maybe 6 feet of seawater stream, and UHF is approximately 2 feet of water stream.
The seawater antenna can also transmit signals. In this example, signals are being transmitted and received through a repeater tower 30 miles away.
N6TYF, KE6FRY.
KE6FRY, N6TYF. Hi, Dan.
Hello, Mike.
I am testing my seawater antenna. How is my signal report?
I've got maximum signal, 5x5, very loud and clear, and no noise on the background.
Okay, thank you for your help. KE6FRY out. The advantage of the seawater antenna is that we no longer have the topside real estate restrictions. We can place the antenna anywhere along the deck of the ships.
Another advantage of the seawater antenna is its reconfigurable and multifunction design.
Potentially is you can have multiple current probes stacked on each other, and also sprayed with multiple substreams to simultaneously perform HF, VHF, and UHF operations.
Obvious markets that would benefit from the seawater antenna include commercial fishing boats, recreational and pleasure craft, cruise ships, and man-made ocean platforms such as oil rigs. But the seawater antenna is not limited for use on the water. By adding salt to fresh water, the antenna could be used for land applications. In this example, a stream of salt water is pumped up into an enclosed plastic tube. On land, the seawater antenna could potentially replace existing antennas. Tube enclosures could be used for rooftop and mountaintop antennas. Existing fountains of all shapes and sizes could be used as antennas by adding salt and current probes. During natural disasters, existing communications are often disrupted for days. Through the use of alternative power methods, such as a foot pump or solar cells, and a smaller current probe, no bigger than $50, portable seawater antennas could be used. These would also be useful as emergency broadcast antennas for boaters. This patent-pending technology is undergoing further development for future applications. The seawater antenna's simple and reconfigurable design presents a viable option in the future of communications.
Spawar System Center Pacific is a U.S. Navy research and development lab located in San Diego, California. The center is supported by a workforce of 2,000 scientists and engineers who are developing the latest cutting-edge technologies. We are looking for strategic partners to help us commercialize our technologies for DoD and civilian applications. For more information on this technology or any of our technologies, please contact us or visit our website at spawar.techtransfer.navy.mil.